Hey everybody, Flip with Kelly coming at you. How's everybody doing today? Today is Friday of May 15th, 2026. So still hustling, get my letters out. Have yet to get my cold calling going. So work in progress. I used to make thousands, if not tens of thousands of cold calls back in the day, and I kind of got out of it, but now I'm getting back into it because I see the value there. You can also text if you want. Pick your poison. But primarily been sending letters out and send them out to government lists mostly, and do some software as well. On the software side, it's pulling like vacant lists, out-of-state owners, AI likely to sell lists, stuff like that. Just being consistent, getting that out every day, and government lists has always been my main focus. Like your probates, pre-foreclosures, tax liens, and evictions. There's many more lists to go after out there, and it's a matter of getting a schedule going, prioritizing, distributing things out so that you have it prioritized, and then what times of the day are you doing it? Are you pulling your government lists at the end of the day or at the very beginning of the day maybe? And then if you're doing cold calling, are you utilizing those cold calling hours for the 9 to 8 or whatever you like, whenever you like to do your cold calling, whenever you have time to do it. And then are you getting your mail out fast, like daily, or maybe the next day, as far as your the government lists go? And then, or whenever they become available. Sometimes you send it out once a month for some lists, like your like your code violations. There's actually 3 code violation lists in my area. There's like your sidewalks, grass ain't cut type violations. Then you have I think the other one is like building structure, and then the third one is more of a health department type of thing. That would, from my experience, that's been more on the inside of the house. Issues like mold, safety, like if you have electrical, things being properly grounded and whatnot, where you have a grounded or a GFI versus like an extension cord type of thing. So basically related to health and safety. Those are the 3. I only thought there was 2 lists because I was only getting 2 lists for a long time. And then they shifted some things around, so I'm not sure if there was always 3 lists or the 2 just became 3 lists at some point. Don't know, don't care. Do care that I have the 3 lists now, as opposed to the 2 lists, because I want to get all the lists that I can. Yeah, so that's basically it. We are definitely getting leads, doing walkthroughs, putting in offers, all that good stuff. The software I use nowadays is Virtual Flip Leads, and probably will be using Batch Dialer for now, unless I come up with a better dialer down the road, but Batch will get it done. It's a good solid dialer. I used to use Mojo back in the day, and that always worked well too. So I guess if for whatever reason I want to switch back to Mojo, I will. But I'm gonna give Batch a whirl, see how that goes. I am hearing some good things about it, so. So yeah, did a deal in March, did a deal in April. Don't look like we're going to be doing one in May here, unless something explodes out of nowhere. But would like to eventually do like a couple a month would be a good goal. Just not quite there yet, but be working towards that. Part of the wholesaling journey, or the life journey, is realizing what challenges or roadblocks there may be as far as getting to your where you want to be. So that's something that I've done, kind of reviewed, and what's working, what's not working, eliminate or slow down on what's not working, and ramp up, be consistent, volume, speed of what is working. So, and I don't want to get into the things that aren't working, because I think we all have things that we know that aren't working, and you can assess your own life, your own what's not working for you. But I guess if you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can put them down in the comments below. I also have a WAP link down in the description. You can reach me there. And so yeah, that's what I would suggest. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I've already got my letters mailed out today. I did that right away this morning. And now I'm going through my softer leads, or contacts, I guess you call them. They ain't necessarily a lead yet, but so I got to rifle through those, analyze them, see what's worthy of a letter, or perhaps postcard. Got 761 sellers to potentially. Once I might whittle them down a little bit though too. So we'll see here, but so anyways, yeah, have you guys a great rest of your weekend here, and probably talk again on Sunday, and then on I probably plan on making 3 videos a week during the week, and then a 4th one on Sunday. I think they recommend 3 shorter videos like this one, and then 1 longer form video. Well, we'll see if it's gonna be longer, or if it'd be another shorty. But yeah, you guys have yourself a great rest of your weekend. This is Flip with Kelly, out.